Wagwan people, we are back on the entertainment and lifestyle scene with a bigger and a better show. Yup! Welcome to PBCJ's E-Volve. I'm your host, Alicia. On this week's show, the crowning of Miss Jamaica World 2022, soca singer 5-star Akil is a new man. Highlights from Kingston Curry Festival and lots more. Sit back, relax, and just enjoy the show. This is not the way to be back. Still, we had to send our warmest condolences to dancehall artist Idonia and his wife Kimberly Megan, who lost their 9-year-old son, King Khalif Lawrence, on December 3rd after battling brain cancer over the years. Several tributes spread across social media as his death came as a shock to many. Several members of the dancehall industry shared their deepest condolences to the entertainer and his wife. Here's a glimpse at a few. It's been quite obvious over the past few months that the unruly boss Popcorn is very much in love with Jamaican beauty queen Tony Singh, who won Miss Jamaica World back in 2019. But their duo, Next to Me single, which hit all platforms on December 1st, hit the nail on the head that St. Thomas bred artist Popcorn is yet indeed in love. The melodic vocals of Tonian paired well with Popcorn's artistic lyrical delivery on the track. Location was everything as it gave the true essence of love and dancehall. Haven't seen it yet? Here's a bite.
The love we have is never ending. Tell me how you're feeling.
You make me wanna run, run, run. Heart be racing like a drum, drum, drum. Feel it in my soul. Leave me wanting more. You make me wanna run, run, run. Heart be racing like a drum, drum, drum. Don't know where we'll go. Don't know where we'll go. Yeah.
On the topic of beauty queens, our 2022 Miss Jamaica World coronation was held at the Courtly Hotel, and the winner is 25-year-old medical student Shanique Singh, crowned by our 2021 Miss Jamaica World Kalia Hall. The first runner-up went to Lenisha Davis, while Tajay Bennett was the second runner-up. Prime Minister Andrew Holness sent his congratulatory message to the newly crowned Miss Jamaica World publicly via Twitter. Here's what he had to say. Congratulations to Shanique Singh on being crowned Miss Jamaica World 2022. I wish you a successful and inspiring reign. Congratulations also to the other brilliant and talented Jamaicans who competed for the crown. Let's bring home the crown. Hashtag MJW2022 Jamaica flag emoji. Former soca artist 5-star Akil, whose given name is Akil Bernier, is no longer a partier as he starts a brand new walk on his Christian journey in an answer to God's calling, which started during the pandemic last year. The 43-year-old businessman got baptized on Sunday, December 4th at the St. James Pentecostal Church. Life is truly coming full circle for Akil as he remembers growing up holding his pastor's briefcase to go to church every Sunday. Akil scored big on the soca scene in 2012 when his single Partier became a hit. Here's more on his baptism.
I don't wanna forget how I feel right now on the mountain top. I can see so clear what it's all about.
me ask you a question again. Do you love Jesus? Akil, are you going to be committed and serve Jesus? Akil, born you, based on your confession that Jesus Christ is Lord and Savior, and your desire to serve Him and live for Him in spirit and in truth. The cross before you, knowing that the world will never be behind you. And this church bearing witness. St. James, let me hear you. Family members, let me hear you. Friends, let me hear you. Okay. Based on your confession of Jesus Christ, Lord of your life, and your obedience to Him in water baptism, I baptize you in front of this crowd of witnesses. In the name of the Father, in the name of the Son, and the Holy Spirit. And then church that.
Tis the season to be jolly, and the season is packed with a lot of entertaining events, from brunches to nightly events to concerts. We've all heard the uproar of excitement for Nigerian singer, songwriter, and record producer Burna Boy, who's destined to perform on December 18 at Jamaica's National Stadium. Tickets are a bit pricey, but trust and believe it's going to be a sold-out show. On a lift it up, jack it up, pull it up, come again moment, are you all ready for the Barry Salmon and Buju Banton concert dub intimate happening on New Year's Day at the Grizzly Plantation in St. Anne? Talk about good vibes, proper grooving, and hits after hits. Well, I'm excited because this Christmas I'll be out with the crew to cover it all just for you. Internet is in a frenzy after dancehall artist Shenseea made a tweet that our great legend Bob Marley is bigger than the great legend Michael Jackson on December 1st. It was the ultimate Twitter battle of the legends with over 11.5k likes, 1,617 retweets, and 3,349 quote retweets replying to just that tweet. What are your views on this statement? Drop your comments below in the comment section on our YouTube page at PBCJamaica. We'll have fashion and food right after this break. We'll be right back. And the show continues with fashion and food. Ooh, we've got something good for you. Welcome back to PBCJ's E-Volve. I'm your girl, Alicia. December has taken over as the most popular month for weddings in Jamaica. I mean, it's a season for love and togetherness. So bye-bye summer weddings and hello winter bliss. With that in mind, we went all the way over to Bliss Bridal Boutique to talk about saying yes to the right dress.
What we do here is we rent and sell designer wedding gowns. We've been in business for 10 years. Actually, I think April of next year will be 11 years, right? We are the premier bridal shop here in Jamaica. What we try to do here at Bliss is create an experience for each and every bride. I always tell women that shopping for a wedding dress is not like shopping for a pair of jeans. It should be an experience. And so one of the things that I thought the industry was missing when I started was that experience. And so it's always my goal to create that experience for a bride here at Bliss. The most important thing for me in helping a bride is listening. And brides are always surprised when we go through the whole process and I would say 8 times out of 10, the first dress I pick is the dress. And they're always like, Sarah, how did you know? How did you know? And the only answer I can come up with is that I listen, right? I listen to what you tell me, and I actually listen to what you don't tell me. Good, so you're telling me what you're looking for, but in that, you also tell me that you're a little bit conscious, so you tell me. Or you also tell me that, boy, you really don't, you don't have that curvy shape that everybody is looking for, but yet you're telling me what you want is a mermaid because you want to look curvy. I know that if you're more of a straight shape, a mermaid dress may not make you look curvy. It may do the exact opposite. So what I'm gonna then do is pick a dress that's going to create the shape that you're looking for. So all you really need to do is listen. Just because you're a big girl or a thicker girl or a curvier girl or a plus size girl, there is not one cookie cutter style dress that's gonna work for you, right? Similarly as a more petite or a slimmer person, right? So, when people say, oh, what works best is what makes you feel good. So my job is to listen to you. And listen, I tell brides all the time, try on everything. They have all these things online. Oh, if you're pear shape, if you're apple shape, if you're hourglass shape, if you're square shape, all these different shapes and what you must wear and what you mustn't wear. First of all, as Jamaican women and as Caribbean women and as Black women, we need to realize that those models, those diagrams aren't meant for us necessarily. They'll tell you, oh, if you have wide hips and a little tummy, you mustn't wear a mermaid. No, that's exactly when we want to wear a mermaid, when we have the wide hips and you pull that, you cinch that waist and it looks fabulous. So I don't encourage women to focus so much on all that information out there. The best thing you can do is schedule an appointment and start to put on wedding dresses, because until you put them on, you're not gonna really, really know what feels and looks good on you. The fitted gowns, in my opinion, will never go out of style. Good? But what really started to turn up in 2020, I think for 2 reasons. I think Meghan Markle, when she married Prince Harry, I think that started the trend of clean, modern, simple, no beading, no lace, no fluff, just clean and simple. And I think people started to really hop on that trend, and then COVID happened and weddings went down to 5 people. 10 people or no people. So people weren't doing these big elaborate weddings. So the simpler dresses without all the fandangles ended up becoming very popular. And they're gorgeous because what it does, it makes the eye focus on the bride. Since I've been in the business 10 years, December has been the busiest time, hands down. I know it used to be the summer months, but that has changed over the years. And I think there are a couple of reasons why. I always tell people in December, first of all, it's cooler. Second of all, hurricane season is over, so we don't have to worry about as much rain and all that kind of stuff. Third of all, family oftentimes is already here or coming, right? People in Jamaica, your family and friends might already be on leave. You can't have a wedding on a random Thursday, like say the 27th, and people will come because, people are off already. So there are all those fabulous things that happen around December. And December just gives you a warm and fuzzy feeling for Christmas. So I think a lot of people love December wedding. Okay, so on social media, you can find us at Bliss Bridal JA, and that's on all social media platforms. Here we're at 7 to 9 Arden Road. That's in Arden Emirates. We're shop number 8. There's a sign out on the door. And you can reach us at 876-622-2547. And our website is www.blissja.com.
Portlanders or even tourists, we have a tasty lunch spot for you. Portland Jerk Center, and it's right in the heart of Port Antonio. Lunch is on us, guys.
is Melody Jackson Grant. I am the manager for Portland Jerk Center. Portland Jerk Center restaurant is a fast food restaurant. It is also a chain restaurant. We have one in Ocho Rios, one in Port Maria, and the next one coming soon to Arbor Street right here in Port Antonio along with this one. We started out with just a little fry thing. Right at the side, only a little box. But over the year we grew and people gravitate towards us, so we decided to venture out more into the food business. After we leave the little box, because it was very small, just a little line, 4 people frying and doing everything. When we venture out into this restaurant thing, people gravitate towards us, so we have to expand, and the more we expand is the more people we get, and people love our food, so that's why we're even opening another branch right here in Port Antonio. Portland is jerk, right? And sometimes it's not a lot of people want to go far out to get a jerk chicken or even something to eat on a regular day. So after we started out with the fry, just the fried thing, and people starting to ask, what about jerk? What about jerk chicken? Because you know, everywhere in the town is jerk chicken. And from the moment we started, that was it. Well, one of the features that makes our restaurant unique is that we offer a buffet style. We also have pastries, and you can get breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or even snacks in the night before you go home. Our food is our local dishes. We have local dishes, and we also do Chinese. So we also match the prices so customers can come in, have a look, decide what they want first, and we offer affordable prices. The sauce for the jerk chicken is also very commendable because people never want to jerk without the sauce. And our sauce is very soup in finger licking. We offer repasts, we do birthdays, and we do weddings. If you're having a little function, even for school, banks, you name it, we'll cook the food and bring it to you. We have one location in Ocho Rios, one location in Port Maria, and our new location that is coming soon, that is on West Street. We're on Facebook, so that is Portland Jerk Center on Facebook, and you can contact us at 798-3417. That's Portland Jerk Center contact information.
It's not about the whole heap of restaurant. You come here, you eat and you jump and prance. Come to Portland, jerk. Come to Portland, jerk.
With all that niceness, we'll be right back with more right after this break. Welcome back to PBCJ's E-Volve, where entertainment is more than rumors and gossip. It's fun. Better yet, it's a lifestyle. I am your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Curry, and more curry. Yup, we took a quick stop at the Kingston Curry Festival last week, Saturday, and trust it was amazing. Everything looked good, smelt good, and tastes good. Here are the highlights.
Boys is one of our flagship brands under the MDS consumer portfolio. The company has 3 different divisions, one of which is a consumer division where we use it as a platform to expose and to essentially inform our audience about the different brands that we carry at the company. So this particular brand is actually manufactured in Westmoreland, and it carries a number of flavors. We have the Scotch bonnet pepper sauce, which most Jamaicans will be familiar with. There is an interesting blend of, the excipients in a fish and meat sauce. There is jerk seasoning. There is jerk sauce. We actually have here the habanero pepper sauce. And of course, what it allows all of the food fans to do is to be able to use any one of the products in relation to the kind of meat kind that you have. So you have anything with fish. There is beef, pork, any of the particular flavors you have that you like, you can actually go with it. But what I like about the particular brand is that it's very clean, it's not fussy, it's to the point, and it's Jamaican made. And that for me is the biggest thing.
Welcome to the Curry Festival, and I'd like to introduce everyone to Moments Herbal Rum Cream. This rum cream is different than the regular rum cream because it is exploring the herbal element. And Jamaica has a lot of herbs that we are just taking for granted each day, not using or doing anything. So I decided to do something about it and come out with this, even though this has been long in coming because this drink was taught to me how to be made by my dad. But I kept fixing it because at first I was very young and I just thought, and then I kept fixing and fixing and fixing. And then when I went to Scientific Research Council, they said, well, they have to take out certain things because for commercial, because the homemade version is better than this. But anyway, and therefore now we have come up with that. And it's a journey. We're a young company, just stepping out there, asking Jamaica to grow with us, help us to push. And it's another aspect of Jamaica that we are pushing out there, because we have so much and we're just not really recognizing it. And the theme of the rum cream cherish and enjoy your moments because you can't get the moments back when they're gone. So enjoy it, live your life, live it to the fullest, and enjoy Moments Rum Cream.
Jamaica Limited. We produce natural seasoning, herbs and spices, no MSG, no salt, no additives. They are 100% Jamaican. Tonight, we are enjoying ourselves with our sweet coconut curry sauce, our chicken breast with coconut and cheese curry, and it has been good.
week's E-Volve, we had to bring the music. I mean, it's a part of our whole vibe. We feature Nadia Baston and Romaine Virgo with Nothing Better, Farmer Nappy and Teddyson with Everything Good, Jashi with God in Charge, Intense with New Gear, Shal Marshall with Shellway, and last but definitely not least, the Unruly Boss Popcorn with One Way. Take a look.
I care for them. People not really hear me say. They give them a trust and prepare for them. A human being and fake pretend. But them not shake me and fi shake me head. When me find out success, I share my friend.
Stuck up a paper, I put for later. Minimum wage could get to them girls, yeah. If I make a man clear, I'm like one saver. I beg my body nothing, my devil in favor. One rich forever.
Shall we, shall we, shall we? My head feeling nice, my whole squad with me. You don't know the vibes.
Baby, make we fly go Ghana. Take a part with your future baby father. Looking like $1 billion. Gucci pan me collar. Full of sterling, but I know the baller. Man a shot caller.
That's a wrap. And thanks for watching PBCJ's E-Volve. I'm your girl, Alicia. Remember to follow us on all socials at PBCJamaica. Also, if you have a story to share, email us at asteel@pbcjamaica.org. Thanks to Hair Addiction Collections for my hair, of course. Follow them on all socials at Hair Addiction Collections. And gratitude to you, our viewers, once more. Remember to live an entertaining lifestyle.